Hi guys, Kevin Newton for Australian Survival Instructors. A.S.I has just completed another magnificent 4-day comprehensive survival course. The students were brilliant. My instructors were awesome as always. We had a full house of 25 students, so check out this video and I hope you enjoy it. Right, you don't go outside the vehicles. Okay, I might go over there.
It's tiger, isn't it?
So you ready?
Have we got a spot for you?
Everyone ready?
Hills, be aware that stuff can roll out of the fire. There's rocks at each side. They just have a nice little wall of rocks at the bottom. So as everything's falling down in the fire, a log that can roll off.
Those charcoal in the fire pit. What that does is brings up the temperature. It's like a garden hose in summer. You know.
The mustard colour. There we go. There we go.
One more blow.
There we go.
Hey!
You got it?
Good. Brilliant. Good teaching. Thank
First
you.
friction fire?
Awesome. Yes, first one. I have tried it once before with another group. But
Well
couldn't
done.
Get it done, so
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are part of an elite few human beings.
I have made fire!
Up from east and west declination, we have vertical declination. What that means is your Kathmandu specials, your good Kathmandu compasses, half the time are actually made in the northern hemisphere, which means that the needle, when we're in the southern hemisphere, is trying to point to the northern hemisphere north. It's got a different set.
The leg back, step forward, pointing out what you're throwing at, bring it forward, straight movement up to this point, flick. That flicks, drives it home. So wherever that spear tip is, when you flick it, is where it's going. That's the
Might be a bit
So, I find it with these ones,
Yeah.
it's easier if I lay them down like
Yeah.
this and then go.
You go in.
No.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's kill it.
It's kill.
As it already did.
Yeah. And then I go.
Yes, here in the
Oh,
head.
yeah, I wanted to happen.
So in Australia, for me, this is up there. In this area, this is up there with Haifa and Waimea lily as top survival plant because everything is used for it.
fire like that.